Unit 1 1. What a bird thought. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. I lived next in a little nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. One day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. I said, "The world is made of leaves. I have been very blind." At last I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now, how the world is really made, I cannot tell. Can you? Students, if you like the video, do subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Don't forget to press the bell icon for further notifications and share it with your friends. Thank you.